Want to make some extra cash just using your phone? Let me show you how Cellphone Cash works. It's super easy and actually kind of fun. First, sign up using the link below and make a free account. No fees, no catch, just pop in your email, pick your country, and boom, you're in. Now comes the good part, getting paid for stuff like watching ads, testing apps, or filling out short surveys. Just tap a task, do it, and get paid. It's all listed right here inside the app. When your balance hits the payout mark, usually just a couple bucks, you can cash out through PayPal, gift cards, or even straight to your bank. Want to earn even more? Use your invite link. When your friends sign up and start earning, you get a bonus. Super easy passive income. So yeah, that's how Cellphone Cash works. It's simple, it works, and it's a solid way to make a little extra. Tap the link below to try it out.